Hey everybody, welcome to Friday's science activity. I want you to listen to the information I'm going to share with you. Choose two spheres from the image on this first slide. Explain the interactions that you can see occurring in the picture. So I'm going to begin by talking about the geosphere and the biosphere. Of course, we know that plants need soil to grow. So that would be an example of the biosphere and the geosphere interacting. In addition to this, the remains of dead plants and animals get decomposed and turned back into nutrients in the soil. We learned about this at the beginning of the year. Remember when we talked about the carbon cycle? Okay, next we're going to talk about the hydrosphere and the biosphere interacting. We all know that plants and animals need water to survive. In addition to this, oceans, lakes, and rivers are home to many plants and animals. Think about how the atmosphere and the hydrosphere seem to be interacting. Winds cause waves in the ocean. If you've ever been to the beach on a windy day, you know what I'm talking about. Winds can also cause major rainstorms and flooding. Think about how the atmosphere and the biosphere interact. Wind can carry seeds to new places. The survival of organisms is impacted by the air temperature, and animals breathe in oxygen in the atmosphere. These are all examples of how the atmosphere and the biosphere might interact. Go ahead and type at least 2 sentences giving examples of the interactions that you can see in the image. On the second slide, identify which 2 spheres are interacting for each of these examples. Click on the sphere names below and drag them to the correct spot. So for example, this first example says plants release oxygen into the air. Plants are part of the biosphere. Releasing oxygen into the air is an example of the biosphere interacting with the atmosphere. So you would click and drag biosphere and atmosphere to show the interaction. Okay, then continue on with the next example. Complete this on your own. Let me know if you have any questions.